So hi, I'm Pete Shersby from Make or Repair. Today I'm just going to share a quick tip, 3 minutes hopefully, about fitting heat sinks onto transistors like these. Now the problem is the heatsink can be really tight, and actually we can do the transistor legs some damage, and we can also push out the tracks from the PCB underneath if we're not careful. So anyway, here's my quick tip. So here's our heatsink. The device it's going onto is about 8mm in diameter, and the hole in this is only about 6mm, and that's a bit of a problem. It's quite springy, but it's really hard to open out wide. And you know, you could try that with some pliers or something like that, but you're going to struggle really. And if you try and force it on, you could push the tracks off the bottom of the PCB, particularly on older boards where the tracks are not really that well adhered. So anyway, I rummage around in my toolbox. So I need to fit it onto something 8mm, and here is an 8.5mm drill. Nothing special about it. It's just, you know, cheapo drill out of my, I think, woodworking box in this case. So this will actually go extremely easily into the heatsink. Take a look at that. Simple as that. Not a problem at all. And I turn it on one side, and I'm just going to ease the heatsink forward a bit. So there's a nice big rim to fit directly on the transistor. Remember, this is 0.5mm or a millimetre even bigger than the transistor that you're going to fit it onto. Normally I would support under the transistor with a pair of pliers or something, but this one's on a stand, so no real big deal. And pop that on, it locks in place, and you can just wiggle the heatsink down and then just finish it off. Yeah, simple as that. No damage to the board, everything's fine. Okay, so there we go. The heatsinks are all fitted and no damage to the board, no tracks lifted, nothing like that. So this is a really simple tip, hardly worth recording, but I thought I may as well just share it. If you'd like me to share more tips, if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up or like it. And of course, if you haven't already done so, please go ahead and subscribe. As always, I welcome comments down below, and there are links that will help support the site in the description. So until next time, take care.